Welcome everyone! Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create certificates using Google Slides. This is one of my favorite time-saving tools because it allows you to use free templates, customize them quickly, and print professional-looking certificates for students, staff, or events. Google Slides templates are incredibly versatile. Many people think of slides only for presentations, but templates can also be used to create posters, newsletters, awards, and certificates. Using a template saves time and gives your project a polished, professional appearance. Start with a simple Google search. Be specific with your keywords so you get results that match your project. You'll often find templates from sites like SlidesGo, Canva, or other educational template providers. When browsing templates, pay attention to the colors, graphics, and overall style. Think about your audience and choose something that matches the event or age group. Even though the template is free, many sites ask for a login. I typically log in with Google. The file should download without any additional downloads. Be sure to click on the bottom download button, which opens the menu. Select Google Slides. Most websites offer several download options, so make sure you choose Google Slides if you want to edit online. Some sites may try to direct you to ads or additional downloads, so always look carefully for the correct download button. This step creates your own editable copy while leaving the original template unchanged. Once the copy opens in Google Drive, you can customize it however you'd like. Most templates include many slide designs, but for certificates, you may only need one or two layouts. Scroll through the presentation and identify the slides that work best for your project. Templates usually include many extra slides. Instead of deleting them one at a time, you can highlight several slides together and remove them all at once. Keeping only the necessary slides makes the file cleaner and easier to manage, especially when you're ready to print all certificates at once. Organization is especially important if you create certificates often. Keeping files in folders makes them easier to find later and helps avoid duplicate copies. This is where you can personalize the certificate for your school, event, or students. You can update names, dates, award titles, and even adjust fonts or colors to match your theme. Many templates use editable text boxes for titles and graphics. Once you click inside the box, you'll see the editing border appear around the object. After selecting the text, you can change the wording, font style, size, color, or alignment. This helps create a polished and professional look. If you want more font options than the standard Google Slides fonts, Extensis Fonts is a great extension to use. Decorative fonts can make certificates look more professional and fun. Here is an example of a completed certificate. Once you create one design you like, you can duplicate it and simply change the names for each recipient. Duplicating the slide keeps all formatting consistent across certificates. This is much faster than recreating each certificate from scratch. This is another quick method for making copies. Use whichever option feels easiest for you. Once your certificates are finished, you can print them directly or save them as a PDF to share digitally. This process works well for student awards, staff recognition, graduation certificates, and many other projects. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this presentation showed you how simple and creative it can be to make certificates using Google Slides. Remember, you do not have to start from scratch. Templates, extensions, and a few simple editing tools can help you create professional-looking certificates quickly and easily. I'd love for you to continue following along for more office tips, tech tricks, and helpful ideas for schools and offices. Be sure to follow Mrs. Office Lady on Facebook and visit my website at www.mrsofficelady.com to download this presentation and many other helpful hints and resources. Thanks again, and have fun creating!